But get ready for an intense scene, with splinters cracking open like blooming flowers, sawdust swirling in the air, and danger lurking at every cut. This is where power meets precision, and the stakes are high. Buckle up, because this is what working at its most thrilling. Get ready for a jaw-dropping showcase of raw power and precision as high-speed chainsaws tackle massive trees. With expert skill, these operators blend precision and danger in every cut. Could you handle the thrill of this intense craft? Oh my god, I saw the saw was tied to the tree. At least they took safety precautions. The Forestry 225 is a compact powerhouse in the forestry world, designed to clear through dense brush and small trees with ease. Its rugged build and reliable cutting power make it perfect for tough terrain and challenging landscapes. Holy moly, the best splitter I've ever seen. It's like watching someone make with spaghetti. Freaking cool. Hold on, folks. With a durable frame and advanced hydraulics, the Elect 81, it grips and hauls large logs through rough terrain. With ease built for heavy-duty tasks, it embodies power and efficiency in every haul. Watch the Fiat Hitachi X-15W paired with the Woody H60 grapple in action. Can it handle the dense timber and rugged terrain ahead? This machine is engineered for control and strength, transforming challenging logs into manageable hauls. Wow, it's unbelievable. Each cut is cut like a hot knife through butter fast. Precise and professional. Watch! A true craftsman turned raw logs into perfectly measured to centimeters by 16 centimeters by 168 centimeters with a steel chainsaw with precision like this. You'd think he was wielding a laser. Instead of 7.3 horsepower, how does a chainsaw manage such finesse? Get ready for the mountain pin. An extremely strong timber truck. Handling slippery roads like it's just another day at the office. With a 500 horsepower engine and massive torque. It's built to conquer any terrain. How does it handle such crazy conditions? You'll be shocked. How can this wood chipper handle such large trees with such ease? Though you won't believe the power behind its blade. Watch it turn towering tree trunks into firewood in seconds.
Như thế nào nha mọi người.
They're introducing the new power split log splitter. Because who needs an axe? When you've got 20 tons of hydraulic power at your fingertips, well, this beast slices through logs like bread. How fast can it split? You'll have to see it to believe it.